Most kitchen remodels end up going way over budget, not because homeowners are choosing extra luxury finishes, but the money just ends up disappearing somewhere. In this video, I'm going to show you some practical ways on how to save on your kitchen remodel without ending up with a cheap kitchen. I've been in the cabinet industry for 7 years now, everything from cabinet designing to installing and everything in between. I've made the mistakes myself, so hopefully you don't have to. All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and get through about 6 points here. 6 points, 6 minutes, and I guarantee it will save you thousands of dollars and time and possibly a headache as well. Let's get right into it. Number 1, keep plumbing and major electric exactly where it is. Moving sink and stove equals major labor spike. Opening walls, rerunning plumbing or electric, patching the walls, mudding then painting, not good. Not to mention extra permits that are needed. The simple rule here is layout changes cost more than material upgrades. If you don't know how to move plumbing or major electric, don't do it. Now, I do understand if you must knock down walls anyways, you're starting from scratch, that's completely fine. If you're just looking for a kitchen refresh, new cabinets, new countertops, moving plumbing and electric is going to cost a lot, and it's going to take time, money, and energy as well. Number 2, spend time on layouts, not trends. Focus on workflow. The kitchen is not meant to be this pretty object without enduring any work. You're either cooking, cleaning, or putting things away in the kitchen. Make it easy on yourself. There are many cabinets that can help you if you know of them and where to place them. Work with the professionals on a kitchen design. At AB Cabinetry, our team creates a free design because we know the importance of it. In 72 hours, you will have a design and renderings of your new kitchen. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. Some specialty cabinets that may help you with your layout: spice cabinet, base waste basket, oven cabinet, and much more. Number 3, choose cabinet upgrades wisely. Where to save. Skip unnecessary specialty inserts. Just because you saw them on Facebook does not mean you need them. $600 for an insert may be a potential waste of money. Don't overdo glass doors. Glass does add some cost for sure, depending where you shop, that is. For example, a 24-inch wide, 42-inch tall wall glass cabinet at AB Cabinetry is $279, while the solid door is $226. Just to give you some comparison how much glass is upcharged. From us, it's not that much, but from some other companies, it honestly may be. You do your shopping, you do your checking of reviews, etc. Avoid ultra custom sizes if they're not truly needed. Whether you choose custom, stock, or RTA cabinets will have a major impact on your remodel cost. I have made a video explaining what the difference between each is. I will leave that in the description below also. You might want to watch it. This is actually where you don't want to save. Drawer hardware, these need to be soft closing and durable. Box construction, you want solid plywood boxes. And don't skip out on the installation quality. You can buy the nicest cabinets. If they're not installed well, you will be reminded every time you walk into the kitchen. When installing cabinets, it's not rocket science. Experience does matter. Carefully choose who you allow into your home. Number 4, mix high and mid-level finishes. For example, RTA cabinets, there are so many colors and styles to choose from. You might want to mix those with standard quartz, something such as this, but you might want to spend $25 a pop on some upgraded hardware so you can really shine in this area. So you want to really mix high and mid-level finishes wherever possible. You don't have to go all super high-end to get that really nice kitchen. Number 5, plan before you demolish. Measurements, triple check them. I cannot stress this enough. Try to really think how things will function in advance. Walk through the space, get renderings, pretend that the cabinets are actually already there. Go through the functions of opening them, of cooking, of cleaning, etc. Timeline. Write everything down and synchronize things. Be sure your contractor is on the same page. As an added bonus, make a contract with them so they don't mess with your timeline. I've personally learned this the hard way. Material lead times. If you can have all your materials on hand, that's perfect. Stuff does happen, delays in freights, storms, back orders, you name it. Avoid last minute changes. Don't let anyone talk you into completely changing the plan after it has been solidified. Last minute changes equals money leak. Number 6, know when DIY saves money and when it doesn't. Be honest with yourself here. Can you demo? Maybe. Cabinet install? Looks easy? Honestly, it's not. Can you assemble your own cabinets? Maybe. However, I can't tell you how many folks that purchased from us locally brought back cabinets for us to assemble them after turning down the $30 per cabinet fee. Something to consider. Electric, plumbing, probably not. Don't even attempt it unless you've done it in the past, unless you're comfortable. We tried when building our own house. Yeah, ended up with a huge leak that ended up costing 10x what it would have cost to simply get a plumber in there and you know, have him do the job in the first place. So I learned that the hard way myself. The biggest way to save money on a kitchen remodel is simple. Make decisions early and stick to them. We've been helping folks across America get good quality cabinets at a fair price, value across the board. If you're interested, visit abcabinetry.com. We are sincerely here to help. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Good luck on that remodel.